In the previous video, we have guided you through drawing the head and face. Today we will cover an essential part of character drawing, hair. Like the face, hair is one of the parts that show the character and attract the viewer's eyes. So this video was created to guide beginners on how to draw hair. One of the biggest mistakes when starting to draw is draw the hair first, as it often misaligns the face axis, making it hard to visualize the character. So the first thing we need is the face head angle. You can watch the video about the head drawing method we did before. We need to choose the face head angle, then determine the basic facial proportions. The face can be divided into 3 approximately equal parts: forehead to eyebrow, eyebrow to nose, and nose to chin. Through that, we can determine the hairline located in this red line. Now divide the head into 3 areas: front, side, back. Add hair to get front backs, hair on both sides, hair in the back. To determine hair direction, first have the basic idea of the character hairstyles. Is the hair short or long, loose or styled, curly or straight? Is the character hair still or moving in the wind? For example, I will give a character short, naturally loose hair with bangs in the front. Start by simply sketching the overall shape of the hair according to your imagination. Next, determine the hair root. The root can be located in many places depending on the hairstyle you choose. But with loose hair, the root will usually be in this area. From this point, draw the hair parting line. The hair will grow from this parting line and follow the direction to the end point of the hair shape you determined earlier. You can show this by drawing arrows along from head and surround the draw head shape, so you have the direction of the hair curves. To draw effectively, we must always remember the rule of going from general to specific, from simple to complex to ensure the overall harmony. Now here's the 30-second ad break. Our studio currently offers a beginner sketching course that prioritizes this method. The course also introduces an exciting new learning method, BNG Art RPG, allowing participation even with a busy schedule skills, with stats that change daily based on actual result. The BNG Art RPG course includes a development roadmap guidance system similar to a game, monthly student rankings with rewards from the top 3, rich learning resources, community connection and support. Don't hesitate to message us even in the middle of the night. We offer 24/7 support. Hair sometimes looks quite complicated, so we should reduce it to a simple shape according to minimalist thinking. From there, separate it into smaller curves. From the direction of the curves that have been determined, we will draw more details using ribbon method. Imagine each curve as a soft ribbon. Each ribbon is essentially formed with a long rectangle strip structure. Depending on the characteristic of the character, we will bend it into the hairstyle we want. This method is suitable for both straight and curly hair. Straight hair will be looser with less curl, while curly hair has a larger bending amplitude, creating more waves. The curlier the hair, the more curved the ribbon will be. You need to pay attention to keep the ribbon soft with a natural changing thickness, and finish by adding a few small hairlines separating from the main curve to create naturalness. When styling the character, hairstyle plays an important role in expressing their personality and life context. For example, short hair expresses dynamism, practicality, or modernity. Long hair expresses femininity, tradition, or power. Curly hair suggests freedom, creativity, and strong personality. Elaborate hair, meticulous, delicate, suitable for noble or lavish characters. Simple hair, casual, friendly, or busy, not focusing on appearance. Hair accessories, bells, clips, or crowns express status, personality, and life period. Context. Hairstyles and accessories help define the time and area of the character, from classic to modern. One of the best ways to practice drawing hair is to draw from the reference model. When you first start with available pictures, then improve by drawing from the real photos and simplify the hair shape. You can use internet photos, 3D models, or take your old photos. Instead of completing a complex hairstyle from the start, focus on a smaller part of the hair. For example, draw straight hair from different angles and basic hair shapes: short, long, thin, thick. Understand the hair form on each type. Hair has countless styles, so practice drawing each strands of hair in your desired styles, like wavy or curl, etc. To understand the structure of the hairstyle you want to draw first will be easier for you. Be creative. After having basic knowledge, this is the time for you to promote your creativity. If you're still unsure whether you have drawn correctly, don't hesitate to send your drawings to us on Discord. Our group was created to share drawings, tips, and of course to make friends. We have all skills levels here, from beginner to master, so feel free to join us. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and comment to let us know which topic you want to see next. See ya!